The speed is remarkable.
And the consistency. The quality should be excellent.
The movement rate seems consistent with the feed schedule.
Yes, but look at the density near pen 3.
Stabilizing now, Maria.
Good. Keep an eye on the pressure in section 3.
The thermal reading shows a 2-degree variance near the center.
That correlates with the increased movement we're seeing on the monitor.
Keep the drone steady. Let's get a clearer shot of that group.
The pressure gauge is reading low. Try adjusting the flow rate here.
We have a slight fluctuation in the oxygen levels.
The oxygen levels are stable here, Kenji. Look at the probe data.
Good. Let's see what it reads at 10 meters.
Slow the winch, Kenji! Hold the tension on that line! Get ready to secure!
All right, hold her steady.
We're almost in position, Captain.
Crane is ready to deploy. Pressure levels are optimal, flow is clear.
Confirmed. System running smoothly.
Send them up, we're ready at the tank.
The speed is remarkable.
And the consistency. The quality should be excellent.
Is the throughput stable at this speed?
Yes, the calibration is perfect.
We need that empty bin moved now, David. Keep the line clear.
Did you get the last one on that side?
Almost. These are tricky today.
The UV threshold is holding steady across the belt.
Confirmed. We are seeing a 99% reduction on the surface. Check the seal on tray 42.
Looks good, Kenji. Pressure is holding steady.
Flip the salmon now.
Yes, chef. And we need 2 more orders of the appetizer ready in 5.
Robert, set that pallet right there next to the first one. Straps are secure, David. We're ready for the next load.
Kenji, we need Maria over at Bay 3 immediately.
Understood, Robert. I'll signal her now to keep the flow moving.
Ok, muévelo a la izquierda.
Listo. ¿El próximo?
Approaching the stack now. Brink it aft, steady on the starboard side. Looks good, lower it down. We need clearance on the main deck now.
Rolling it forward, secure the clamps.
Manifest confirmed. Load the next one quickly.